How to use blend tool. Use pen tool. Create a short line. Press return or escape key to make a line break. Use selection tool. Change the fill color to none. Select stroke color. Go to the stroke panel. Change the weight to 4 points. Select round cap. Select the stroke. Go to gradient panel. Select orange yellow gradient. Go to effect, select distort and transform. Click zigzag. Click smooth. Click preview. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Go to the stroke panel. Change the weight to 3 points. Go to effect, select distort and transform. Click transform. Click preview. Adjust the setting like this. OK. Finally. Change the weight to 2 points. Select this one. Hold the Option key, duplicate and put here. Adjust the size bigger. Change the weight to 10 points. Select all. Go to Align panel. Click Align to selection. Click Vertical Align Center. Move here. Go to the object, select Blend, click Blend Options. Select Specified Steps. Change the number to 1000. OK. Use Blend tool. Click this object. And this object. Alright. Double-click the paintbrush tool. Change fidelity to smooth. OK. Draw a line like this. Alright. Use selection tool. Select this object. Hold the Option key. Select this stroke. Go to object, select blend, click replace spine. Alright, basically, we have finished this effect. If you want to adjust the shape and gradient color, keep watching the follow step. Use direct selection tool. Select this one. Make sure is select the stroke line, not the anchor point. Change the width to 12. Alright. Bring to front. Select this one. Change the width to 2. Alright. Select this one. Go to gradient panel. Adjust the gradient color like this. Alright. Select this one. Use eyedropper tool. Select this one. Alright. Use selection tool. Go to the layer panel. Create a new layer. Move downward. Lock the layer 1. Use rectangle tool. Create a square. Click stroke layer. Click the default fill and stroke. Change the stroke color to none. Click this fill layer. Use mesh tool. Start to create a gradient color. Like this. Alright. Use direct selection tool. Adjust the anchor point position. Perfect. Now we know how to use blend tool to make other effect. This is the other blend tool effect I showed you before. If you haven't seen that video, please click the link at the top. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.